Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get WordPress source code. Accessing these core files is essential for development, debugging, or contributing to the platform. We will cover three main approaches, ensuring you can retrieve the code efficiently. Whether you are setting up a local environment or examining an existing installation, understanding these methods is key. Prepare your development tools, and let's dive into the process of obtaining the WordPress core. The simplest way to get the WordPress source code is by downloading it directly from the official WordPress.org website. Navigate to the Downloads section, and you will find the latest stable release available as a compressed file, usually a zip archive. After downloading, simply extract the contents to your desired location, perhaps a local server environment. This method provides a clean, untouched copy of the core files, ready for your projects. If you need the source code from an existing live WordPress site, using an FTP or SFTP client is your go-to method. Connect to your web host using your credentials, then navigate to the root directory where WordPress is installed, often named public_HTML or www. From there, you can download the entire WordPress installation folder to your local machine. Remember to back up your files before making any changes. For developers and those contributing to WordPress core, using Git is the most powerful approach. You can clone the official WordPress core Git repository, which provides access to the entire version history. This allows you to easily switch between different versions, explore development branches, and contribute your own code. It offers a robust way to manage and interact with the WordPress source code, ensuring you always have the exact version you need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.